This is an elevator at Tommy Bahama on St. Armands Circle in Sarasota, Florida. We've got a Kone. Interesting, I've never seen a Kone with this kind of grill before. Usually I just see that on a notice. So let's go, can we go to 3? We can go to 3. I guess they're working on 3. It's not open to the public. So you've got dual floor indicators and dual buttons. Here's your certificate. We're stopping at 2. So someone got on at 2 and went to 1R, and something interesting I noticed, 1R was not the same level as 1. I believe 1R is slightly lower because I got off first. But something else I noticed, I can't even see where floor 3 is from the outside. So anyway, here's the outside of the store. That'll be it.